So today we are going to start this question, that is we have is 28 question of the Leetcode. Okay, so what we will do here, let's read the question and then we will implement this one. Okay, so the question is saying that find the index of the first occurrence in a string. So we have given two string needle and hack stack, and it is saying that we have to return the index of the first occurrence of needle in hack, right, in hack haystack, and or it will return -1 if the needle is not a part of hack stack. Okay, so understood. The first, it is giving two things, the needle and haystacks, and these are two strings, and we have to return the index of first occurrence of needle in the hack stack, or if we don't able to find, then we will return -1, and if that is not available into that one. Okay, so let's consider this example first. Okay, so example first, we have given what a hashtag we have given, and this one is given. So let me write here SADBUT and SAD we have given. Okay, so this is the string we have given, and SAD we have given, right? So if we'll talk about the SAD, right, where is the starting position, right? This is the starting position, it is matching, right? If you'll match this one, and again here we also have, right, here we also had this SAD, right? And if this is an array, if we will represent into array, so we can find that the index we have is 0, and this is the last index n-1, we can say. Okay, so what we are doing, we are returning the index first, right? You can say here as output. So SAD occurs at 0 and 6. As I told you, this is 6 index and this is 0 index, right? And so we are returning what? 0. Now example 2 we are given, and that is given we Leetcode and Leetcode. Okay, so if you talk about this one, Leetcode is not available. Why we not available? See, we have given LEET Leetcode. Okay, LEET or Leetcode. Okay, and Leetcode we have given. So if you talk about the Leet, it is there, but there is no O, right? So when we represent this like Leet O, so we will match this one, this will matching, right? But next element is not O is not matching, right? And that's why we can say that we have to return -1 because this is not matching. I think you have understood, right? So this question is very important because this question has been asked in the FANG. Almost all the product based company that has asked these questions, right? So I'll recommend you please go and see whole videos, right? This one, because generally this question is asked, right? And this question is based on the topics that you can say two pointers, right, string and string matching, right? So this is very important because these questions from the string generally people ask in the interview. Okay, now think about the concept, right? What we have to do, we have to see that if the problem given is you can say string matching problem given, right? So what we have to do, we have to check one or more occurrence, right, of a pattern, you can say. So this question has been asked based on the string matching problem, and it can be stated as find one or more occurrence of a pattern, right? And there will be given some string will be given like x 0 to x n, you can say we have given, and it will tell you have to find it from where y0 to yn, you can say that. Okay, so the element of x and y character, right, from x and y character we will make a set, right? We have to make a set, and then we have to see if this is matching or not. So in this problem we have to find the first occurrence of the needle, right? That needle we have given, right? And in a hex tag, the character taken from the set of the lowercase English alphabet will be there some ABCD character, right? But there are multiple applications of the string matching. That is why a lot of research has been done in the field, right? So multiple algorithm has been devised to solve this problem, and so we can say there is multiple applications also developed here. As you can see, the spell checker, right? You already know the plagiarism detection, the duplicacy detection, right? Text editor, spam filter, digital forensic, matching DNA sequence, intrusions detection, search engine, biometric and informatics, information retrieval system, language syntax checker, right? So many things we have in the market. All the applications have been already developed, right? And you can develop this too. Okay, so I'll suggest that this is very important, and we will use uh, uh, like sliding window in this approach. And you can say, like, this is the example we have given, is that let's suppose we have given what haystack we have given, and another is needle we have given. Okay, so if we want to check you can say the needle into the haystack, then what we will do, that we will start the window where we are using sliding window, right? So actually this is the very naive approach, right? Is to traverse each possible substring of length m, you can say here, and we'll check into the haystack the needle, right? Is it equal or not? So what we are doing here is we will start from the window start plus I, right? And where window start is what, nothing but 0, and I is 0, right? So both we are starting from the same place, right? Now we'll start from this one, m and I, right? So it is not matching, so it will say no, it's not matching. So window start, we'll do plus plus, and I will remain at same. Now second time what we will do, it is not matching, so we will move to the window start, will do window start plus I will do, and we'll move to the next one, and then we'll see window start is 1 and I is 0, right? Here I'm talking about, you see here, right? So that now we are not checking this one, so we will check the whole string, that is needle, from I. Will start from I, and I will check from here to here. Okay, previously we are checking from what, from here to here, correct? Now this we are checking here to here. Now what we will do here, first of all, what we will do here, we'll check this one. So what we will found, that the Mississippi from here to here, it is matching, right? From here to here, right? But the last letter is what we have, I we have, right? And it is not matching. Next time we'll start from here, the next S1, right? But it is not matching, correct? Because starting not matching, so it will say mismatch. So we'll start from the next element, we will start, and it is also not matching, so we will move to the next one, and we'll check from here, is it matching or not? So it is, we'll start from the match, then it is matching to this letter from here to here. Now what we will do, we'll check next element, that is not matching here. So what we will do, we'll move to the next one, we'll window plus star will do, and we'll check. Similarly it is not matching, so what will happen, window start can be check, right? Can be checked, we can add m minus 1, you can say. So if we'll talk about the length of this one is m, right? And length of this one is n. So if you'll do m minus n, right, till that we can only check, means length of haystack minus length of needle. So can be most m minus 1, and we have to check all the windows, and then we will return minus 1, because see, we are moving to this element is moving where we will check this element, right? And so that we can say that it's not possible, right, to check at this, right? Window start can be at most 5, right? At most 5, because m minus 1 will do, it will come n is 11 and m is 6, so we will get 5. So maximum, you can say at 5 we will do this checking, window will go to maximum this element. So now if we'll talk about the implementation thing, right? So we have seen already haystack and needle we have to, so in the haystack we have to check the needle, right? So what we'll do, we'll start from the window start equal to 0, we'll go to the length, window start will go to the length, this one, right? This is m and this is n, right? That we are talking about. So m minus n, till that we have to go, and window start plus plus will do, and each time we'll check the element from I0 to needle length, right? And because all element we have to check of the needle, is there or not, all character, you can say all chars. So if that is not equal, then we will break here, and then what we will do, we'll check if needle length is I equal to needle length minus 1, then we will return our window. We will not do anything, right? And if we'll find all the element, right, till that it will move and it will return minus 1 if we will not find. Okay, so this is the you can say window start length. We will start from the window start here if we'll find the exact match, right, and we'll reach to the I. If we will reach I equal to this length, means we have to return our window start from where the window start has been gone, right? And that's all for today. And if we'll talk about the complexity, you can see that we are going for two things we have, right? First, we are moving to all the length of this one, right? So if the length of haystack is m and length of middle is n, right? So time complexity is what? If we'll talk about the time complexity, it become O of m into n, correct? And here we are not taking any extra spaces, right? So space complexity will remain O of 1. Okay, so that's all I have for today. And if you want to watch any other approaches, like we can do with what Rabin Karp algorithm that single has. So stay tuned, and I'll upload the next part of this video with a Rabin Karp algorithm that is a single hash technique. Okay, so thank you so much guys. If you like this video, please hit subscribe this channel so that you will get the more videos like this one. Okay, thank you guys, thank you so much.